Happy Tuesday, everyone. My name is Sung Park. These are my credentials, and here's my weekly update for AddPicto. So I'm just going to quickly share my screen. And for, oops, that doesn't look right. It shouldn't be 218. It should be June 28th. That makes more sense. All right, so here's what's going to be releasing this week. Hopefully tomorrow at the latest Friday, we're going to be having another release on AddPicto, which is an add-on for your Google Slides, Docs, and Sheets. It's mainly useful for slides. So what the first thing we're going to do is extend our 30-day free trial to 90 days free trials, and that's mainly because we want to give our free users the ability to see what's coming down the pipeline. We believe that the features that's going to be coming in the next 3 months are, pretty impressive. At least we think so. And we hope that our trial users will give it a shot. And by having it only 30 days, we felt that they were going to miss out on some of the cool stuff that we're planning. The second thing is that we are fixed the pink shapes, and I'll talk a little bit more about that, as well as we're going to be releasing image options, and then we're also going to be having more pink shapes. So the first one, what does it mean to fix the pink shapes? So here's the current implementation. So if you can take a look at this, there's actually supposed to be a pencil above the masked image. And so we fixed that. So now when I search for cats, and let's find the same one, there you go. And then I'm going to insert that. You'll see in this preview here that you see the outline of the tablet, you see the pencil, and now the pencil is on top of the masked image, which makes it more, it just makes it more of a three-dimensional item or a layered item, so that it just gives you more interesting things that you could do. It looks more like that the masked image is part of the actual total image and not that it's been placed into it. Okay, so the other things is the image options. So this was something that we were working on, and we're getting close to being done with it. And as you can see, you have the options here when you click on this to have single tiled size and opacity. So if I were to change this to 50%, it shrinks down by 50%, or I could increase it by 200. And so by increasing it, I can then change the location of the alignment. So I can say I want to align to the top, the left, right, bottom, and so forth. It just gives you a little bit more control. The other option is to tile. So when I tile, you can see that it's defaulted to 25%, and you can see that everything is tile. I could change this to 50. Oh, not to, okay, 50, like so. I could change the opacity to 50. The other things that I could do is I could flip horizontally, flip vertically. And now if I were to select this image and click on insert, what it'll do is it will replace the image that I've selected and replace it with the new picto that I've created. Now you can see that this is what I've got. All right, so now we've covered fixing of the pink shapes and also image options. The last update we're going to be having is a lot more pink shapes. So the only reason why we held off on adding these is because we were waiting for the fix of how the masked images interact with the pink shapes. So once that release happens, we'll be able to add a lot more pink shapes. And these are some of the examples of the pink shapes that we'll be adding. We believe that this will give you more flexibility to showcase designs in various smart devices, may that be the watch, displays, or your phones or whatnot. And just give you a better presentation of the mockups that you may be working on. And then the last thing is going to be on what is the next big feature that we're going to be working on after this release. It's going to be infographics. We're very excited about this, and we'll talk about it, or I'll talk more about it next week. Enjoy the rest of your week, and thanks for your attention. Have a good one. Bye.